Now arriving in is the Southern service. The Southern 377 on its way to Clapham Junction. Now departing is that Southern service towards Clapham. So today at Bletchley there is industrial action from London Northwestern, so we'll be seeing a reduced service. I just thought I'd come down and see if anything different's out and about because of it. So yeah, we'll see what else will arrive and depart at Bletchley. Now passing through is the Virgin Trains service.
Will be the 10:33 London.
Passing through is another Virgin Trains West Coast, Pendolino. Most of which are now unbranded. Now passing through is a Virgin Trains Voyager. Arriving in is a London Northwestern Class 350.
Passengers for Bletchley, Northampton and Bletchley Junction. Your next fastest direct service is now expected to be in 11:17 to Clapham Junction via Kensington Olympia, departing from platform 4.
Passing through is Virgin Trains Pendolino towards London. Now departing is a Class 350 towards Northampton. It's the first London Northwestern train that's left Bletchley in a while. They're only running about 2 every hour at the moment. Probably about 3/4 of all services have been cancelled today. Passing through is another Virgin Trains Pendolino. Now arriving in is a Southern Railway service to Milton Keynes Central. Now departing is a Class 230 D train on its way to Bedford.
Northwestern Railway service to Milton Keynes Central. Toilet Milton Keynes Central.
Now passing through is Virgin Trains Pendolino. First one today, it still has the red Virgin logo and livery on it. Now passing through is a Virgin Trains Voyager. Departing is a Class 377 service to Clapham.
LNR.UK/.